If you want to remove a payment method from your Reddit account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated. Step 1. Log into your Reddit account. Visit the Reddit website or open the app and log in with your username and password. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select User Settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Payments section. In the User Settings menu, look for the Payments or Billing tab. Click on it to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it to edit or delete. Click on the Delete option. Step 5. Confirm removal. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice to finalize the removal. After completing these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from your Reddit account. If you have any issues, consider checking Reddit's Help Center for further assistance.